One day, something unusual happened to me. I had a football match just for fun. I was tired when I came home and fall asleep soon after my dinner. Donna used to prepare my food and I pay her for that. She cleaned my room. She also washed my clothes. She is a very caring person. Next morning, a man of machine silently entered into my room with a cup of coffee in his hand. When I woke up, I could not recognize him initially. But I was scared as soon as I realized that he is not Donna. I asked him, "Who are you?" He replied, "I am Ado, your new friend." I said, "How did you make the coffee?" He replied, "I can see and hear the boiling of the coffee. I can taste if it is too sugary and also can smell the aroma. Please accept it while it's still hot." My next question to him, "Where is Donna then?" He replied, "I have paid her and told her not to come again.